Hi, my name is Brooke and I struggle with drinking soda. Some challenges that I've had this week would definitely be like I really want pop when I'm hot and tired. And so I had like marching band this weekend and just band in general was super hot on those days. So I just really wanted to pop afterwards and like going to the cafeteria for like supper after that. They have that there ready for you pretty much. So that was hard to say no. And also today I went to a baby shower and a surprise birthday party, and they both had soda there for an option, and like just saying no but being able to like watch everybody else drink pop was kind of hard. Some successes that I've had would, I guess, be saying no to all of those, even though it was hard at the time. And I think that like my body is getting more used to not drinking pop, so like I don't get headaches as often. And then my plan for this next week to stay sober is to just like keep telling myself in my head that you can do it, you got this. Um, and hopefully like having my friends always like having my back too, to not drink pop. And that's about it.